Welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get right to it.
One that came out of the car and putting this back together, matching that one.
Maybe not. Huh. Oh, hold on. How about you try matching stuff, Julie? It's like this. If you're gonna match, then match, right? Hey, well, you know, it actually fits properly. Oh, yeah, that fits nice and tight, sweet. Oh, well. Okay, this is rather interesting. How do you snap that in? Without breaking something, how do you snap it in? It's a good question. How do you snap that in without breaking anything? Well, that's not it. No, it doesn't want to go in the hole. That's weird. I would have thought it would have just slid right in. Yeah, I would have thought so. There it goes. Nice. It's actually a very nice fit. Sweet. Very nice.
Wow. Yeah, really nice. I guess I go back to the one I already owned and use it. There you go. And that just has to go back in the door, like so. Okay, this is strange. It came out of the door just fine when I want to go back in. Just fine. This is rather weird. Why do I always get caught in here when I try to go? No, it's not working. Doesn't want to work that way either, does it? No, that worked a little better. That worked a little better. Well, I gotta call eBay now to let them know that that part was messed up, that I had delivered, that it was all sun-dried and rotted out, and fell apart within seconds of trying to use it.
Did something just break? Did something just snap off? I hope not. Sure sounded like it. Didn't it though? It sure sounded like something just broke. No? Is it still okay? Oh, plenty of spring. Sweet. Those look okay. I don't see anything falling off of them. Did something fall down in the door? No, I don't think anything fell off. I don't see anything missing. All the connectors seem to be there. And that seems to have its connector tight. That's a good thing.
Whoops. Oh, I see why. You're not up all the way. Okay. Hold on. You're not in all the way. No. I think this is the right piece. It doesn't seem to fit the same though, does it? No, it doesn't seem like it fits the same though.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to fit the same though, I've noticed. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it wants to line
up the same. There it goes. But that doesn't seem to line up the same. No. It seems, there it is. There it is. That's the way it's supposed to fit. Okay. Now there's a brand new bolt right here. God, I pray I hope the second one doesn't break. I will have to contact eBay real quick and let them know that it was a faulty piece. Okay, I'm back. You got to make sure when you do this that you put these little claws over the top of this. They have to hold it, otherwise it won't work. Same with this one, has to have a little holder. The old one did not do that right. It just fell apart. Okay, here's the bolt from the old one. Okay, there we put a little hole there. Then we have 3 little centering bolts. God, I pray and hope this one doesn't break. This was my original one. I pray and hope it doesn't break. And yes, I plugged in the power to it. So I really didn't need the whole mechanism, because the mechanism's broken anyhow. The yeah. There we go. So back to having the original OEM one back in. There you go. Snapped in beautifully. Yeah, and these ones are not stretched. You can see the cable is where it belongs. Ah, finally it works. Sweet. Okay, so you can see the cable stretches where it belongs. Alright, I need the heating gun.
Yeah, I'd like to contact eBay and let them know that it broke. Before I even could use it, that the used piece was broken. That both plastic pieces, these, were completely dry rotted away to nothing. And they just broke and fell apart the moment I touched them. Deal with the front, folks. We actually got progress. Oh my lord. We actually got something to attach. Of course, all the gooey glue is now not gooey anymore. Okay, here we are with the plug again, right there. Here we are with what dry rotted out of the other one I got from eBay. And the cable on the other one was stretched beyond belief. And I'm here to tell you, if those are dry rotted, they will not work. Huh. What seems to be the problem? I'll put my finger in there. Snap in place, right? I think it is. Look from the end. Yes, you're down there. Okay. Okay, we got that put back in place. That's put back in place. There we go. Ooh, tired. I'm gonna go for a walk after this, I believe. I would take you with me, but I don't know what you would see whilst being out here. Well, I gotta go make some phone calls, too. Yeah, and hope that I can send some stuff back. It's been a few weeks since I got all this stuff because it was so cold here in Wisconsin. It's been in the negative territory. There was no way to be out here working. Humanly, physically possible. It was too cold. It was too cold. Yes, it was. It was way too cold. Oop. Alright, so you've now seen 3 iterations of taking this stuff and putting it back together because I couldn't get it any other way. Oh, there we go, we got it. Now we have a little rubber snap for the end here, right here. You gotta make sure you push it in there tight. You now have a little footy thing here. You can see them, hopefully. 1, 2, right there. And those snap right back on top.
For that, you now have this, and I've said before, be very cautious. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 5. You do not want to snap these, so you need to go really slow. Oh, I choose to go slow because I don't want to break them. See, that bottom one is really a stinker. If you don't get it just right, it will break it. It's right there. Okay, there it is back together. Now there's this little thing on the side here which shows, I don't know what it means. Yeah, If it's up and down, what does that mean? If it's side to side, what does it mean? I don't know. Do you see it? It's right there. It's like a little black doohickey. It's some kind of a child lock, I guess. But I don't understand how to use it. It doesn't make any sense because it's just a piece of plastic. But it could lock you out of your own car if you're not careful.
I hear it unlocking, but I don't know. I'm risking closing it without knowing if that locking mechanism actually works. I would think that if you roll this down, this should work to unlock it, and it does. And I would think it should unlock this one. Huh, nope. So then how does that work?
Yeah. Huh. Okay, how does it work for this then? Are we back to this goofy bit where this little idiot thing is causing problems? Okay. I guess we need to look in the directions, huh? In case any of you out there ever need to know about this, rear door security locks. With this feature, you can lock the rear doors so they cannot be opened from the inside. The rear door security lock is located on the inside edge of each door. To engage the security lock, do the following. Open one of the rear doors. Using your ignition key, turn the lock toward the front of the vehicle. Close the door. Repeat these steps on the other rear door. If you want to open a rear door when the security lock is on, unlock the door and open the door from the outside. To disengage the security lock, do the following. Open one of the rear doors using your ignition key. Turn the lock to the vertical position. Close the door. Repeat these steps. So, you have to put the lock to the upward position, not facing the front of the car. Yeah, okay. I understand.